So let's take a look here. I got indicators telling me that we may go low. We may go a little low. My indicator's fired up. This is a Fibonacci from yesterday. This is the 100% line of the fib, and my take profit is going to be here, but my stop loss is going to be if it closes above over here. This is a this is a great candle here. If you This is a great reversal candle here. Um, and again, my indicator is also fired up, saying that we may be heading in the other direction. So um, let's see what happens here. We may go and touch the 200-day moving average, but again, I'm looking for where the candle is going to close, um, not where the candle goes. Now, here is something very challenging. It went above my entry price over here, which is not good. That means that there's strength here in the market, so I may have to get out. I sold, so I'm going to buy the ask. But let's see where the candle closes. Just looks like there's a lot of strength right now on the way up. Yeah, we may hit the 200 moving average line over here. But we got 3 more minutes. Let's see what happens. This is a good challenge here because I am going with candle closing as opposed to, just taking stops. So this may be a big loss right now. So let's see what happens. We have 3 minutes left till the candle closes up. And it's heading, I think it just wanted to touch the 200-day moving average before. There seems to be a lot of sales pressure. So let's see. Let's see where we go from here. Now, for a candle reader or a candle trader, um, you should you should take note over here. Take notice to see what happens. But yeah, if it closes above here, I'm out. I'm out of the trade, and I lost 2 points. Um, so let's see. We got about a minute and a half left to see what's going on over here, and that's it. I mean, you're not gonna be right all the time. You're not gonna be right, but you just have to be either right more often than you're wrong, or if you're wrong more often than you're right, then your wins have to, I mean, be much larger than your losses. But there's ways to make money if you're wrong more than you're right. You don't have to be right 100% of the time. You don't have to be right 50% of the time. Let's see what happens. So the candle goes down. It may have been that they were taking stops over here. So we got a minute left. Let's see what happens. Um, yeah, they were just taking stops, and now the bears seem to be in power. Um, but we may go. We're gonna go, and we're gonna go here. This seems to be a good spot. 0350, 05, 0375, 04. Here, because this seems to be a strong area here, we're just gonna go here and take a quick profit here. Buy market of touch right here, and we're just going to take a quick profit here. We're not going to go and you know try to predict that we're going to have a reversal. That's just crazy. We're not you know we're not Nostradamus here. So we're just going to take a nice profit, which is two. Is it 2 points? Oh, 550. Yeah, it's 2 points. It's if you're trading one contract, which is what I'm trading, it's 100 bucks here. Um, but it's quick. You took your profit, your money's off the table, and if you were wrong, about the reversal, then it is what it is. But this is another good candle here. It's typically that means that there's no buy interest up here, typically. But, you know, can someone come in? Can a whale come in now and just, prove everyone wrong and just throw some money into the market? Yeah, absolutely. That absolutely can happen. Um, so you just have to take your profits. I'm not saying when I say quick profits, um, I don't mean low small profits, because if you're trading two contracts, I mean, there's people that trade 10 contracts. That's $1,000 for them right now. But I mean, take profits. Go for the path of least resistance, because you're not a psychic, and you don't know. You don't really. Nobody really knows what's going to happen next, and no one really knows what's going on in the market right now. So um, let's see what happens. We're like one tick away from getting. We were one tick away from getting taking our profits, right? Because it stopped right here at 04, 0375. Yeah, 0375. Is it? You see, these candles are so small sometimes. 04. That's a round number, right? So we have to penetrate the round number in order to show weakness. Yeah, and it's going the other way now. But it just, round numbers are like a psychological barrier for some people. And once you penetrate the round number, it's like, it reminds me of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was at, when once it went through the 10,000 mark, we went to 20,000 within like a month, because it hit that round number, and that's how a lot of people think. And you never know what players are in the market today. We gapped up. That's another thing to observe today. We gapped up here. If you can see, I mean, if we go down, we may come down here. That's not unlikely that we're going to come down here to this level and just close the gap. It The market feels a little weak. I don't know what's going to happen. We may or may not hit here, because you just have to remember anything can happen in the market, and no, every moment is unique, and you can never, do not play psychic in the market. Take your profits and move along, my friend. Move along. Well, there it is. That's the first profit, and of course, this is the low of the day. So if we close below the low, we may go and close the gap. But whatever happens, I'm good. I got my profit for the day. And if you were trading 10 contracts, that's probably like a grand or something, or $1,500. I'm trading one contract, so um, made my first $100 for the day, and it's only 9:50. So we got ways to go, and I'll make more videos for you guys.